Hey, what is going on, guys? Lloyd here, back again with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to quickly reset your maintenance light required after an oil change for your Toyota 4runner. Now, this method might work for other Toyota models out there, specifically the older ones, but for this one I am doing it on my 4th gen 4runner from 2003 to 2009. All right, guys, so to reset the maintenance light, obviously you're gonna need your keys. Put it on, don't turn it on all the way, but just enough to turn it on, just like that. And then make sure that you are on your odometer key right there. So make sure you're not on trip A or trip B, otherwise this won't work. So make sure you are on your odometer screen right there. Now that's done, let's go ahead and get started. So you're gonna need your key, so put it in here. Just kind of double check again. All right, turn your key off, and then now you are gonna press this one right here, and then you're gonna just see the maintenance key over there. And so let's try and go for that. Hopefully I can do it properly here. Actually, let's try and go this way. A bit tough. All right, so I'm gonna press and hold this, and I'm gonna turn the key to on, not all the way on, but just on. All right, just gonna watch the maintenance light blink over there, and then yeah, that's basically all. I think that worked, so let's try again. All right, see, now we don't have the maintenance light anymore. Make sure to note it, 183,186 miles for me when I resetted it. However, though, that's gonna be wrong. And so I am gonna refer to this one right here, which is the 187,295 miles right there. All right, guys, so I hope that was pretty helpful, pretty straightforward in my opinion. So hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you'd like, no pressure, but a little bit of a story time here if you're interested, and the whole reason why I made this video. So I took my 4runner in for its major service, which is basically 180,000 mile service. So it was a pretty big service. They replaced a bunch of stuff, checked a bunch of stuff, and found a lot of stuff. But at the end of it all, I wanted to keep my 4runner in tip-top shape. Now, huge shout out to the Toyota technician guys. You know, they did a fantastic job. However, though, they did miss one part, which is that maintenance light required. I did take my 4runner 1,500 miles early in the service, so I did not actually have the maintenance light flashing just yet. And so now that I'm nearing the supposed 5,000 mile maintenance schedule / maintenance required service, it is now flashing on me, which is not true because it's already done. You know, that service was already completed. Everything else was great. You know, they were probably super busy, just got sidetracked and completely forgotten to reset the maintenance light required. And that's just how you do it. It's pretty straightforward. Now, if you're gonna do it this route, highly recommend you guys take notes of your mileage of when you manually resetted it yourself, mainly because that is not the actual 5,000 mile mark that you'll need to do your next service again. So for me, here's my current mileage of when I resetted it myself, and then here's the 5,000 mile mark of the supposed next scheduled maintenance. However, this 5,000 mile mark is not true, mainly because I did my maintenance a while ago and I'm already 1,000 miles in. So basically what I'm trying to say here is I'm gonna follow the sticker post right here on my windshield, because that is the true and actual mileage of when I need to take my car in for its maintenance. So yeah, other than that though, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully that was helpful, like I said, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Peace.